The vitamin C serum on your vanity right now. Have you ever felt like it's not working, or worse, making your skin look a bit dull or dark? If so, it's not your skin's fault, it's because the vitamin C product you chose was never right for your skin in the first place. We all know vitamin C is a superstar for antioxidants and brightening, but no one ever properly told you about the tricky personality and surprising secrets hidden behind this brilliant ingredient. The belief that pure vitamin C is always the best, the misunderstanding that vitamin C derivatives are just milder versions. Today, we're going to flip all of that conventional wisdom on its head. I will teach you the secret to choosing your holy grail, vitamin C that perfectly matches your skin type and concerns, without being fooled by ads anymore. Every question and misconception you've ever had about vitamin C will be solved in this one video, so stay tuned. This isn't just a product recommendation, it's a revolutionary guide that will upgrade your skincare intelligence to the next level. Vitamin C, or ascorbic acid, has a long history as an essential nutrient for life. Far beyond being just a cosmetic ingredient, its importance was globally recognized in the 18th century during the Age of Sail, when it was discovered that scurvy, which plagued sailors, was caused by a vitamin C deficiency. Since then, countless studies have scientifically proven that vitamin C protects our bodies from free radicals, through its powerful antioxidant action, and promotes collagen synthesis to maintain skin elasticity. Thanks to these amazing benefits, vitamin C emerged as a superstar in the cosmetics industry. In the late 20th century, numerous papers published findings that pure vitamin C at concentrations of 10% or more reduces skin damage from UV rays and improves pigmentation. According to a report by a market research firm, the global vitamin C cosmetics market is growing exponentially every year, with countless brands rushing to launch new products. But this is precisely where consumer confusion begins. Difficult terms like pure vitamin C, vitamin C derivative, and stabilization technology are everywhere, making it hard to judge which product will actually be effective for our skin. That's why it's more important than ever for us to understand this ingredient properly, and develop the insight to separate the gems from the junk. If I'm going to use it, I should use the most powerful pure vitamin C. Many people think this way, and it's true that pure vitamin C, or L-ascorbic acid, is the form that acts directly on the skin to produce the fastest and most potent effects. Just like eating raw, unprocessed ingredients, you can expect its purest form of efficacy. However, this power comes at a steep price. Pure vitamin C is an extremely sensitive and tricky ingredient that easily oxidizes when exposed to light, air, and heat. That's why it's sold in brown or opaque bottles. The moment you open the cap, oxidation begins, and if you don't use it within 1 to 2 months, its effectiveness not only drops, but it can actually irritate the skin or cause discoloration. It's the same principle as a peeled apple quickly turning brown. Furthermore, its low pH can cause stinging on sensitive skin, and when used with other active ingredients like retinol, AHAs, or BHAs, it can create an explosion of irritation rather than synergy. Therefore, you must remember that while pure vitamin C may be the most powerful choice, it is by no means the best choice for everyone. Vitamin C derivatives emerged as an alternative to overcome the shortcomings of pure vitamin C. A derivative is a form where another molecule is attached to the unstable, pure vitamin C molecule to increase its stability. Many people tend to think of derivatives as merely a milder version, that's much less effective than pure vitamin C, of course, because they must be converted into vitamin C after being absorbed by the skin. The speed of their effect can be slower than pure vitamin C. However, to say they are ineffective is a huge misunderstanding. Vitamin C derivatives are like specialists, each possessing unique, specialized abilities, depending on their type. For example, some derivatives specialize in brightening, while others show outstanding ability in soothing acne inflammation. If pure vitamin C is a straight A student who gets an 80 in every subject, vitamin C derivatives are the experts, who get a 100 in a specific subject. Furthermore, their high stability allows them to be used freely with retinol and other ingredients, making it much easier to build a skincare routine. Therefore, we need a shift in perspective. Instead of dismissing derivatives as weak, we should see them as a smart, alternative that can precisely target our specific skin concerns. So, who should choose pure vitamin C? It's suitable for those with relatively healthy, resilient skin, who want powerful, short-term antioxidant, brightening, and radiance-boosting effects. Here's the execution order to maximize its potential. First, check the concentration. According to studies, the effective concentration is between 10% and 20%. If you're a beginner, it's safer to start with a product under 10 to 15% to give your skin time to adapt. Second, always check the packaging. Ensure it's in a brown or opaque bottle that blocks light and air, and check if it's a pump or dropper type that minimizes air contact. Third, strictly adhere to the expiration date. It's best to store it in the refrigerator after opening, and make it a rule to use it all up within 2 months at the latest. If the color turns yellow, it's a sign of oxidation, and if it turns dark brown, you must throw it away, no matter how wasteful it feels. Fourth, I recommend using it in the morning. It helps remove free radicals generated overnight, and creates a synergy with sunscreen during the day, boosting UV protection. If you follow these principles, pure vitamin C will gift you your best skin ever. If your skin concerns are more specific, it's time to enter the world of vitamin C derivative specialists. I'll teach you how to choose the perfect derivative for your needs. First, if you want to tackle both brightening and antioxidant care, look for ethyl ascorbyl ether. This ingredient has both water-soluble and oil-soluble properties, giving it excellent absorption. It's also recognized as a functional, brightening ingredient at a relatively low concentration of 1 to 2%. It's the all-rounder among derivatives. Second, if your concern is acne, blemishes, and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, the answer is sodium ascorbyl phosphate (SAP). Research shows this ingredient has excellent anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects. One study even found that a 5% concentration of SAP was effective in treating acne. When you're worried about the red and dark marks left after popping a pimple, using a product with this ingredient can provide both soothing and brightening care. Third, if your goal is whitening for extremely sensitive skin, ascorbyl glucoside is your best choice. It's recognized by the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety as a functional brightening ingredient at 2%. It is known to be less irritating and more stable than other derivatives, allowing even those with sensitive skin to confidently pursue brightening care. Now, look for these names on the ingredient list, and hire the specialist that will target your concerns. There are common mistakes that cause many people to fail to see results with vitamin C. The most frequent mistake is not considering your skin's environment. If you apply pure vitamin C to oily skin with excessive sebum production or skin that isn't properly exfoliated, the vitamin C can't be absorbed. Instead, it mixes with sebum and dead skin cells, oxidizes, and results in a yellowish, duller looking complexion. The solution is to use a slightly alkaline cleanser to effectively remove sebum, and gently exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week with ingredients like AHAs to clear the path for vitamin C absorption. The second mistake is continuing to use an oxidized product, because it feels wasteful. Vitamin C that has turned dark brown has already lost its antioxidant power, and has transformed into a substance that can cause oxidative stress. This is like applying poison to your skin. A light yellow tint is acceptable in the early stages, but if it turns brown, you must stop using it immediately. The final mistake is underestimating the importance of storage. Keeping a pure vitamin C product in the bathroom or on a sunny windowsill is an act of self-sabotage. Always store it in a cool, dark place, preferably the refrigerator, to delay oxidation as much as possible. The future of vitamin C skincare will evolve to be smarter and more sophisticated. We will see new technologies that maximize the stability of pure vitamin C. For instance, liposome technology, which encapsulates ingredients in tiny capsules, to deliver them safely deep into the skin, will become more common, as will products that keep vitamin C in a powder form, to be mixed with liquid right before use. Furthermore, vitamin C derivatives will become even more diverse, with new derivatives being developed that are highly specialized for functions beyond brightening or anti-inflammatory, such as wrinkle improvement or strengthening the skin barrier. Perhaps in the future, There will be services that diagnose an individual's genetic information, or skin condition to prescribe a custom blended vitamin C of the optimal type and concentration. While these advancements offer us opportunities for more effective skincare, they also pose a challenge for consumers to make wise choices amidst a flood of information. Therefore, the best strategy to avoid getting lost in the future skincare market is to start building the habit of reading ingredient lists and understanding the characteristics of each component now. Today, we've taken a deep dive into the world of vitamin C. The key takeaway is this: pure vitamin C and vitamin C derivatives are not in a relationship of superiority, but are tools with different roles and purposes. The wisdom lies in choosing pure vitamin C intelligently if your skin is resilient, and you want a quick glow, or selecting a specialized derivative. If you want to solve a specific problem like acne or sensitivity, go to your vanity right now, and check the ingredient list of your vitamin C product. Have you been using the right weapon for your skin? Based on the knowledge you gained today, find the best partner to solve your skin concerns. The era of choosing cosmetics based on feelings or ads alone is over. I hope this video serves as the starting point for your journey to becoming a smart consumer. Your skin deserves to change for the better. If you found today's content helpful, please subscribe and like, and share your own vitamin C stories in the comments below.